So I rise to speak on the Repealing and Amending Act of 2015. The enactment of Repealing and Amending Act since 1950 is one of the periodical measures by which enactments which have ceased to be enforced or have become obsolete, or the retention whereof as separate and independent act is unnecessary, then such enactments are repealed, or as the case may be, it is used to remove any formal defects in any enactment which comes to the notice during its administration. Sir, while giving a written answer to my question on 24th April 2015 in this House, the Minister has stated that there were a huge number of obsolete laws which are of no use in current scenario. According to two-member committee formed by the PMO, there is need to repeal about 637 laws as soon as possible. Obviously, this is a worrisome situation which requires urgent and proper attention of the government. Regarding this bill, sir, I have a few suggestions. As it is clear by the name of the bill, the amending and repealing work has been clubbed together. Many times it can cause ambiguity, so in my view, there should be separation of amendment and repeal in all such bills, sir. Also, sir, it is seen that most bills to be repealed are mainly appropriation acts. Since these acts are meant for temporary use, in most cases 1 year, so why are we making so much effort to repeal such acts? There should be automatic repeal clause in such acts which are replaced or repealed by the same acts. By the legal department, it has been cited that due to Section 6A of the General Clauses Act 1997, there is hindrance in the way of automatic repeal clause at the drafting stage of any bill. So I request the Government of India to make amendment in the said section of the General Clauses Act 1897. Sir, we shouldn't continue with British procedures which are causing administrative delays and making our task cumbersome. My last suggestion, sir, in this is regarding that there is no uniformity in repealing the obsolete laws. The Select Committee on this bill has made the same observation regarding this, sir. The last repealing bill was passed in the year 2001 and the next such bill has come to the House in 2015. There is a gap of nearly 15 years. I request the Minister to make provisions of some fixed time interval for repealing of such obsolete laws so that unnecessary burden could be removed from the government books, sir. Sir, and lastly, just in the end, sir, as the effect of such repealing and amending act is only to remove dead matter from the statute books and it has no legislative effects, sir, on behalf of my party, the All India Trinamool Congress, I support the bill. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Mr. Navneet Krishnan.